Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be telling you how to use Bulk Create in Canva. So first what you need to do is you need to access the Bulk Create tab. Now select the template or design you want to use for bulk creation. Then from the editor side panel select apps. Then under more from Canva select Bulk Create. Next thing what you need to do is importing data for Bulk Create. You can add the data to be used for Bulk Create using different methods. So you can enter data directly from the Bulk Create tab on the editor side panel. Click enter data manually. Delete the sample data by clicking on the clear tab. Enter or paste the data into the table. If you need to add more rows, click on the bottom raw table cell. If you need to add more columns, what you need to do is for text you need to click the add text, and for the image you need to click the add image and then click on done. That's basically how you can do it. If you need to learn more about it, you can get on this website, which is canva.com/help/bulk-create. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.